Hi, my name is Muhammad Fauzi Besamse. Now I will start with introduction. The Mackintosh probe is used to measure soil strength, density, and compaction, as well as its resistance to penetration. It consists of a long, graduated marking system and a thin, sharp tip rod. Engineers use it for site assessment, foundation design, slope stability analysis, and compaction control during construction projects. By measuring soil resistance at various depths, engineers can make informed decisions about soil stabilization and foundation support. The probe is especially useful for initial site research in remote areas, allowing for swift and affordable exploration. The equipment can reach a depth of 13 meters, providing valuable information about soil density and resistance to penetration. It consists of a series of steel rods with a 25 millimeter diameter cone attached to the lower rod, driven into the ground with a 4.5 kilogram hammer. The number of blows required for every 300 millimeter penetration is recorded to evaluate soil condition.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fizbi Azhari. Today I will present a case study. So the first case study that our group discovered is the case study on the tree induced the ground vibration in the Keluar Kemas Railway Malaysia. So the first one, in this case study, we discovered that they have two location. So the second location using the another method. So the location one using the Mackintosh probe test. So based on the result that they getting, we identify that they have a three soil layer which is so clay and silt at the top, stiff clay at the middle, and hard powder clay at the bottom, at the lowest part. So from this test, they measure the soil carrying capacity by the counting low per 0.3 meter or 300 centimeters segment. This is important for the understanding how railway penetrate and affect the nearby area. Also, this data of the soil helps in evaluate the impact of the train vibration on human comfort and the structure's integrity. Next, case study on the CPIC rate determination at Segaran Coastal Environment Johor, Malaysia. So, Segaran Coastal Environment in Batu Pahat, Johor experienced several seepage and overtopping, leading to the road damage and airline the flooding during high tides. So, this study aimed to locate the seepage, monitoring the seepage rate, and link it with the flow pattern. So in this case study also have the two method. The first one is piezometer testing, measure the CP rate, while the Mackintosh probe test are in measuring the soil strength. So for the Mackintosh probe test, the data show the soil strength is strong up to 2 meter depth, but notably weaker from the 1.8 to the 2.1 meters. So this study is finding has emphasized the urgency of addressing CP issue and stabilizing the environment through the soil compaction and geotechnical solution. This study also emphasized the vital role of the true geotechnical assessment in protecting the coastal infrastructure.
Okay, for the objective of the project is first foundation design and construction. So Macintosh can determine the suitability of soil for supporting structures such as buildings, roads, bridge, and embankments. Second one is preliminary site investigation. Macintosh can provide preliminary data on the soil condition during the site survey, helping in decision making and planning for construction projects. And last, for quality control during construction. Macintosh can monitor soil compaction to ensure it meets required standards, thereby ensuring the stability and safety of the structures. Okay, for the first application of Macintosh, we found a site that using the Mackintosh around Johor, which is in the Sagara Coastal Embankment (SCE) in Johor, Batu Pahat area, covering a 10-kilometer coastline, face significant seepage and overstopping issue, damaging roads and causing inland flooding during high tides. The zero parts, the embankment stability risk collapse and leads to saltwater erosion harming crops. The research focused on the identifying several seepage spots, monitoring seepage, and comparing it into the tidal patterns using traditional piezometer test and the Mackintosh probe to ensure the seepage rate. The Mackintosh probe also assess soil strength by counting the blows need to penetrate it, identify the potential seepage points. Findings indicate that types cause critical seepage at SCE, necessitating urgent action. Compacting the soil to improve its bearing capacity is recommended to mitigate the seepage and enhance the embankment stability.
My name is Muhammad Nur Zaifi bin Abdul Halim. I will explain the second application on the second site, which is happening in Kluang Gemas Railway in Johor. Okay, so any unusual geotechnical issue involving train-induced ground vibration and their impact on nearby residential areas is the Kluang Gemas Railway in Johor, Malaysia. As Malaysia concentrates on expanding rail transportation to reduce car traffic congestion, it becomes increasingly crucial to comprehend the application of ground vibration. The two distinct locations along the railway and that are the subject of this study are location 1, which has a curved rail segment, and location 2, which has a straight rail section. The study purpose is to quantify and assess the ground vibration brought on by train at this site, examine adherence to the vibration control and management guideline set forth by the Department of Environment. The Mackintosh probe test was utilized by the researcher to look at soil properties, while accelerometer sensors were used to gather data on vibration. This comprehensive methodology aids in comprehending the ways in which various train design impact ground vibration and possible impacts on surrounding human comfort and structural integrity. That's all. Thank you for me.
In simple terms, the Mackintosh probe is a tool used to measure the strength, density, compression of soil, and it helps assessing the soil resistance and characteristic, which is important for building foundation and structure. The probe is portable, can be used for quality control during construction, and evaluate reclaim land for development. It provides immediate data to ensure the safety success of projects. While it is not designed to measure seepage rate directly, it can indirectly provide insight into soil permeability. In a specific case study, the Mackintosh probe was used to evaluate soil strength in Malaysia and Indonesia, highlighting the importance of understanding ground vibration, seepage issue for coastal embankments. This tool is cost-effective and efficient for assessing soils properties, making an asset is geotechnical engineering.